Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Walgreens to do our weekly coupon matchup. That's what we're going to do. This will not be a coupon and haul. It would just be a matchup. You all seem to enjoy that last week, so I will do it again this week. We only had one insert. That was a Smart Source, and we had some printables. So if you want to see those, go to my weekly coupon insert preview and you will see those coupons. So let's go. Okay, our first coupon matchup of the week is for none other than our Nivea, which is $4.97. You can get either one. This one, 20 ounce, or you can get this one. Now, they are $4.97. You need to get two in order to use the $3 coupon. So, $4.97. $1.50 off each one, so that is $3.47 for each one of those. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm gonna have bonus coupon. This is the coupon. It is from the Smart Source 110. Okay, or you could use the dollar one and just pay $3.97 and just get one. And that's the dollar coupon. And this one you could use on the men. And just what I thought, the men's Nivea is $3.76, which give you $1 off, which gives you $2.76. That's a good price for Nivea. You also can get two men's for $3 off, which is what, guys, the better deal. So I'm telling you, I would grab the Nivea $3 and use the two men for the deal. Okay, the Nivea lotion is $5.48, and you got $1 off of those. Oh, look at this. This is a little tiny one for $2.92, but I don't think that's a big enough ounce. I think it got to be 10.2 ounces or higher, or 13. So $5.48. Okay, and then you got the Cetaphil $2 off. It needs to be above 4 ounces. So here's one for $6.54. This is for really bad skin. If you have really bad skin, that Cetaphil work good. This is a $2 coupon. All of these come out of the 110 Smart Source. And they also have a really high value, and that's why that one is gone. It is for $6 off too. So you can get one complete for $6.54, which is another good deal. But yeah, so the best deal, and that's some good. If you need Cetaphil, that's the best for it right there, $6.54. So you're gonna pay 54 cents for one, and the other one is $6.54. Great deal. Okay, you got Gold Bond medicated powder. You got $1 off, making these $2.32. Gold Bond medicated powder, $2.32. Okay. Then they also have it in green. So this one is $3.94. The yellow one, the orange one is $3.32. This one $3.94. So I guess that's, what is that, triple action? What? Yeah, triple action. The other one is an intensive itch. Okay. Okay, capsaicin that I told you was really good. It's $9.97. They got a $2 off coupon for it. It'll last for 2 weeks. Then here's Aspirin for $4.98. You got a $2 off coupon, and then you got a $5 off of two. The better deal will probably be the $5 off for two. So you'll pay $5 for two because they're $4.98 a piece. Okay, so we got $2 off of any one Icy Hot. Now, it says Icy Hot product, excluding trial. And I don't know if this considered a trial or not, but I used that before with one of these coupons, and it made this, I think, 49 cents. So, or 48 cents. And then here's more Icy Hot. You got one for $5.48. Here's one, $4.96. So I will probably use it on this one. That's a $2 off, so making that $2.96 a piece for the Icy Hot. And the reason why I'm showing you the Icy Hot is because someone asked me about Icy Hot, but that's the better coupon, and my mom used that one. Okay, you got $2 off on Rolaids right here. This Rolaids right here, you got $2 off any one, so they're making this Rolaids $1.94. Okay, see the Docalex stool softener, they're $4.98, and you got $3 off, making those $1.98. Okay, this is Bic. Got a $4 off coupon. It should be with these, but it says right there, Bic See that right there? So you should be able to pick up any Bic, but if not, this is one of the Bics that matter. This Bic right here is $4.92. Then here's another one for $2.97. Okay, so now if you all go back and look at my Family Dollar video, you will see I used that exact same Bic coupon. It was digital though, on a Bic in there that was $3.50. But Dollar General also has them for $3.50, giving you 50 cents over it. So take your pick where you want to use it. Let's go to the food, guys, and do some coupon matchup. Okay, the Owie right here is $1.34, and you got $1 off 4. I genuinely like this, so I would get that. Those are really good, actually, so I would get that. That's $1 off. That's, again, Smart Source, $1.10. Then if you buy the 6-pack, which is $1.50 off 2 OUI, I call it Owie, but I know it's OUI, so before people start correcting me. So if you get 2 boxes of these, 2 packs of these, they are $1.50 off 2. Okay, Yoplait, 60 cents. They're $1 off of 10. I don't know if you want to say that's worth it or not. I wouldn't get it. I'm not really a big fan. And when I buy Yoplait, I buy the big things of it, so I wouldn't get that. Okay, the Sargento Screen Cheese or Snack Bites are, some of them are $3.68 and some are $3.48, and you get 75 cents off. So my kids eat this, so I do buy these. So here, Sargento balance breaks are some. Is this a balance break? No, that's screen cheese, and that's the fake one. This one is $3.32, and you get 75 cents off a balance break. Also, now it's 3 in a pack. That's a good deal, but I have bought balance breaks for much cheaper than that. So it just depends. So I hope you all are enjoying this Walmart coupon and matchup. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel, guys, so I can keep the coupon and hauls coming and the coupon and matchup hauls coming. Okay, now it's $1 off Palms. Now I was looking for this drink. It's usually in the food in a freezer. Okay, this is Palm right here, and these are the coupons. The only thing, this is very expensive up in Walmart. I usually can get those out of Food for Less, aka Kroger, for 50 cents, the small bottles, but you can use this 50 cent off coupon on. So I'm just showing you that it's here, guys, but I wouldn't purchase it here. Okay, I'm looking for Pig Sweet, which is 75 cents off 1 bag of frozen vegetables. I don't think they carry. They carry Birds Eye and their own product. That's what they do. They carry Birds Eye and they carry their own product, Great Value. So I did not get into Pig Sweet here. Where I know that I have it at is Food for Less, Kroger, aka Kroger, Ralph's, aka Jewels. So those are the places I would pick. But you usually can get them for a quarter, because this is a high value coupon. It's 75 cents off. Okay, we got a coupon, $1 off of 2 of the Belvita breakfast crackers, which is $2.88 for $1 off. I actually got this cheaper at Food for Less. They usually have them on that 5 off 5 deal, so I'm not going to grab those. Okay, so I am going to the Nabisco coupon. We have 75 cents off 2. These are $2.74, but we all know that if you coupon at places, you can find these for way cheaper, okay? And usually for a good deal. Okay, so we have $1 off of 2 of the Quakers. Now you can grab whatever you want to. It is Quaker Old Fashioned Instant Oats, or Oatmeal Squares, excluding the cups. They already put on here they don't want you to get the cup. But if you try and work on the cups, then get it. Okay, so these are $1.92, and you got $1 off. So you're gonna pay $1.42 for each one of those oatmeal packs, which is not bad. But we know Dollar General usually give us a good deal on oatmeal when the coupons come out, right? Guys, make sure you watch my Walmart coupon haul on Monday. It's usually very good and informative. Plus, I have bonuses at the end. So let's go see what else is on clearance while we're doing our coupon and matchups. Okay, guys, and all the coupons you have saw today came out of the Smart Source 110. We only had one insert. Okay, guys, so make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Clearance is on Monday. This video will come out on a Sunday. So Monday you will see my couponing haul for Walmart. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share this channel, and let me know if you enjoy it.